I'm going to invest when things settle down. I'm going to wait until I have more to put in. Now isn't the right time. There's a common belief that you need to accumulate a certain amount, $1 million, $2 million, before investing even makes sense. And that belief causes people to wait. They're saving toward a number instead of putting what they have to work right now. And here's the problem with waiting. Every year you wait is a year your money is sitting still. Every year you wait is a year your money is not compounding. And compounding is the process where your earnings generate their own earnings, which then generate their own earnings, building on itself year after year. It's one of the most powerful forces in finance, and it requires one thing above everything else: time. Let me give you a real example because I think the math is what makes this click. Imagine two investors, both with $100,000 earning 10% annually on the growth track, which compounds each year. The only difference is when they start. Investor A starts today. Over 20 years, that $100,000 grows to over $670,000. Investor B waits 10 years to start. That same $100,000 earning the same 10% return, but with 10 years of compounding instead of 20, only grows to about $260,000. Same money, same rate, but with one important difference of when they made the decision to start investing. And that difference of 10 years in this example produced a gap of $400,000. This is what I say. The amount matters less than the moment you begin. Freedom Note starts at $100,000 at Tier 2. And for a lot of the professionals I speak with, that's something they can do now, even if a larger investment is still a few years away. And that matters, because every year you wait is a year of compounding you don't get back. On the income track, that same $100,000 at 10% is generating $10,000 a year. That's $2,500 a quarter deposited to your account without you doing anything. I know that's not life-changing money on its own, but it is the start of a passive income stream. And if you add to it as your capacity grows, that stream gets bigger every year. The people I've watched build real wealth through Freedom Notes were not the ones who waited for the perfect moment. They were the ones who started with what they had, stayed consistent, and let time do the work. And here's the thing for the busy professionals watching this. You don't have time to manage real estate. You don't have time to watch the market every day. That's exactly what Freedom Notes is designed for. You invest, we manage the real estate, you receive the returns. Your time is not required, and that's what passive income actually means. A little bit of effort now, one conversation, one decision, and one transfer to create income that does not require your time and attention from that point forward. That's the trade I'm offering you. If you've been waiting for the right time to start, I want to tell you this is it. Not because of anything special happening in the market right now, but because every day you wait is a day your money is not working. In one of our next videos, we cover the most common questions we hear before someone invests. Go to chatwithfreedom.com and let's have a conversation about where you are, what you have to work with, and what starting now could actually look like for you. No obligation, no pressure, just an honest conversation. I hope this was helpful, and I hope we have the opportunity to work together.